Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica super automatic machine with us in the shop. And pretty much I came in, there was quite a lot of buildup of coffee in the chamber here, and it was just not wanting to run at all. So when we opened up the whole machine, looked at all the parts, we realized that the machine probably needed a tune-up, so we did a complete tune-up and we replaced the water pump in here with a brand new one. So now it's ready to brew, so we're going to start by making a double shot of coffee. And these super automatic machines, the reason they're called super automatics is because it does literally everything for you. You have a grinder, as you can hear right now, that's going to grind your coffee for you at a specific grind level that you choose. It's going to go into the chamber that's in the middle. We call that the brew unit. And it's going to put all that coffee into the chamber. The machine's going to auto tamp itself, as you're going to hear right now. Now it's moving into the tamping stage. It's going to tamp itself against where the water comes through, which is called the McKenna valve. And the McKenna valve is going to push all the coffee into the spouts. And pretty much the tune-up, all we do is we replace all the O-rings, all the gaskets also that go from your brew unit, your McKenna valve. We clean all that out, we replace the gaskets, and we clean the whole inside out, clean the door, we clean the spouts. We did descaling on your machine, also cleaning cycles to help clean out the McKenna valve, of course, because a lot of coffee does run through it. Yeah, so that looks really great looking coffee right there. We're going to test the hot water first. That's quicker to test. To use the hot water on these machines, you're just going to click the button and you can open the steam valve. If this is unclicked, like we'll show you right now, it will shoot steam instead. And these machines, they don't run on boilers, traditional boilers like you would see in a normal espresso machine. They run on things called generators or generators. So it's like a big kind of flat pancake that's on the top of your machine, and it gets really hot and it runs water through all the pipes inside of it, and by the time it gets out, it's ready to brew or to make steam. That's about it for this tutorial. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.